In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for payment in Stripe in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're a business owner looking to simplify transactions or maybe you're integrating payments into your app, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to generate a QR code for seamless payments. Let's dive right in. We'll start by heading over to Stripe, an essential platform for managing online payments. Open your web browser and visit stripe.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your account. If you don't have an account already, you should take a moment to create one before proceeding. Look for the sign in button, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email and password. After entering your credentials, click the sign in button once again to access your dashboard. If you have two-step verification enabled, make sure to complete that process too, just to ensure a secure login. Now that you're inside your Stripe dashboard, navigate to the home page. From here, you'll want to locate the payments section, usually on the left-hand side of the dashboard, and go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can see detailed payment options and histories. In the payments section, look for payment links and select it. This option allows you to create manageable payment links that will be linked to your customizable QR code. Once you are in the payment links page, you'll spot a new button. Click on that to start creating a new payment link. You'll have the option to choose between products or subscriptions. Select the one that aligns with your needs. Moving on, you'll need to add product. This is where you specify what exactly you're accepting payment for, so make sure to fill this out accurately, detailing the product or service. For those who wish to offer flexibility, ticking the adjust quantity box allows customers to purchase multiple quantities at once. It's also wise to explore additional options by ticking relevant boxes, to customize and tailor the payment link to match your specific requirements. If there are advanced options available, click on them to see more customization features. Be sure to set the call to action button to pay. Once you have everything set up just the way you want it, click on Create Link. To complete the process, locate and click on the QR code icon. You then have the option to select how you want to use this newly generated QR code. Click on the icon, and soon you'll be able to choose to copy it to your clipboard or download the image, whichever suits your needs best. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only created a payment link, but also generated a handy QR code for ease of payment. Keep it on hand for transactions and simplifying customer payments. Thanks for watching.